What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here with some bisecting of angles and segments in this video, mixed with a little bit of algebra. Okay, my favorite thing, combine algebra, geometry, best combo of all time. Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, spaghetti, meatballs, algebra, and geometry. It's the best. All right. First one here, we got given BD, Ray BD bisects angle ABC. Find the measure of angle ABC. All right. Well, if this bisects this angle, what does that tell me about these two smaller angles? It tells me that their measures are equal. So I can set up a little equation here. 4x plus 10 equals 2x plus 24. And I can solve this thing for x. So I'm going to subtract 2x. I'll show my work here. Minus 2x, minus 2x. I'll also subtract 10, do a little 2 for 1 special here. I got 2x equals, that's gone, and I got 14. Divide by 2. And I have x equals 7. Now, it's super duper tempting to be like, I'm done, man. I solved for x. Moving on. And then you lose points in your test and you cry. We don't want that. I don't want you to cry, okay? There's no crying in math. I'm kidding. There's a lot of crying that happens in math oftentimes. We want to find the measure of angle ABD, this whole big dog right here. So let's plug this x back in. For 4x plus 10, I'll just do it right over here. I'll do it in a different color. Mix it up, make the math pop. Let's see here. 4 parentheses. The x is 7 plus 10. So that's what? 28 plus 10 is 38. The same should occur here, right? Because they're the same. They're congruent, right? It bisected it, split into equal parts. Let's just double check and also just show you that they are, in fact, the same. 2 times 7 plus 24. That's going to be 14 plus 24 is 38. Okay. Now, if I add 38 and 38 together, that's what, 76. So this is 38 degrees, 38 degrees. The measure of angle ABC is 38 plus 38, 76 degrees. Yay. Now, keep in mind, in geometry, we're off the top not to base things on looks here of oh, it's about 76 degrees, because, you can't really just judge something based on size. Things are always drawn to scale. I mean, it does look pretty decent, okay? It does look pretty decent. Which always makes you feel better when it looks like, oh, it seems about right. And it's not totally crazy. So anyways, measure of angle ABC is 76. If it asked for ABD, we'd have 38. Or DBC, we'd have 38. Yay, wonderful. Let's move on. Next one. Given BD bisects AC, find AE. Well, if BD, this line here, or if it was a line segment, if it wasn't a line, is bisecting AC, this line segment, splits it into two congruent parts. So these two are once again equal. So bisecting with an angle or bisecting with a segment gives me congruent angles or congruent segments. Okay? Depends on what is being bisected. That's important. Okay? If I'm bisecting an angle, I get two congruent angles. If I bisect a line segment, I get two congruent line segments. Not the other way around. All right. So 5x minus 6 equals 2x plus 18. And we'll solve. So subtract 2x minus 2x. I'll add 6. Add 6. We got 3x equals, let's see here, 18 plus 6 is 24. Divide by 3. I get x equals 8. And are we done? No. Right? It is. It's tempting. Circle it. Move on. But we want to know what AE is. So 5x minus 6. Let's plug that in there. Looks like a good spot to do right here. 5 times 8 minus 6. 5 times 8 is 40. Minus 6 is 34. Walter Payton. Now, I am done. Okay. Beautiful, you guys. All right. There it is. Bisecting splits it in half. What is it? In this case, we bisected an angle, so we get two congruent angles. All right. If I bisect a line segment, I get two congruent line segments. Whatever I bisect, I get two of those. Right? If I bisect a piece of pizza, I don't get two cookies. I get two pieces of pizza. Okay, so don't mix that up, especially when you get to proofs. Bisecting an angle, two congruent angles. Bisecting a segment, two congruent segments. I've said that enough. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making the video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks for watching.